How about these vertical farms to grow your veggies on site at restaurants and grocery stores? How about that for freshness, Will? It's kind of like a shipping container, which is, could be right out in front of the supermarket. And the veggies are grown right inside of it in real soil. Of course, it's a hydroponic operation. So you got your hydroponic lights and nutrients are inserted into the mix and everything grows up the sidewall. But I don't know if you've ever had any fresh vegetation before.
Anything?
Yeah. Have you ever had fresh vegetation in your life?
Maybe. I don't know where they come from.
Yeah, so
if
maybe
I go to Whole Foods.
No, but did you ever grow something in your garden, for example?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So yeah, that's fresh, Will.
Tomatoes.
And you picked it out and you ate it.
Yeah.
Are you confused?
Well, my mom grew it. And,
Yeah, that's fine.
When I was young.
But you don't remember the difference, man? Man, when you have a fresh tomato?
Well, not eaten from the vine. It was cooked.
Oh, okay.
And they
See, when I was a kid, this is lesser known. Not a lot of people know this, but when I was a kid, I had a sort of up until I was about maybe 4 years old, 4 or 5. I was living in a rural lifestyle, and
you were a farm boy.
I was a farm boy, and we had a greenhouse. It wasn't a setup like this, but it was mostly tomatoes, and I used to eat these tomatoes like it was an apple. I would pick it and just eat it straight away. And that flavor has been with me ever since. It is a whole different ball game when you're talking about freshness. And I'm worried that people don't even know what a tomato tastes like. That's what I'm worried about. But the same goes for all kinds of fresh foods. It's incredible, man, fresh vegetables. I'm just letting you know.
Okay.
I'm just making a case for fresh vegetables right now. And I guess I'm making a case for these guys with the vertical farms because they seem to be doing all right. And they're imagining a future in which, Will, you would roll up and you would actually pick your couple of fresh veggies to go with whatever else you were shopping. And they're trying to reduce, the energy costs. And there's fewer variables when you're doing it inside of an enclosed environment. They just close it up, call it a day. You could get a fresh herb in there. You could get a fresh veggie in there. Are you happy about that?
Yeah, I've been looking into getting like what's it called? A terrarium?
Okay.
Like indoor, and then you can grow your own vegetables. Is that a terrarium?
I don't know. I think a terrarium, you might put like a lizard in there.
It's like enclosed. Actually, that might not be the right term.
I think you might put a lizard in a terrarium. I mean, you could get the definition. We got Google.
Like an indoor garden,
We got Google, don't we?
I mean.
Here we go. Down the rabbit hole we go. Wait, you're supposed to tell us what terrarium means.
Yeah, I think it's wrong. I think terrarium is like an enclosed.
We still need to know.
Okay. If I know how to spell it.
No, there you go.
It's a game as well.
Oh, here we go. Sealable glass container. Yeah. Yeah, there's a reptile in that one.
I don't know if you can actually grow vegetables in there. It's like its own ecosystem.
Oh, this is just for looks and stuff. Yeah. Those are cool, though. Terrariums are cool.
Yeah, it's a living.
But I could put a reptile in there, couldn't I?
I think it's enclosed.
But look, there, right there. It says Rep de Zoo 40-gallon terrarium.
Oh, okay.
Wayfair.com. I mean, I could buy that, Will.
Sure.
That's $269.
Right.
Maybe we should get a pet lizard right over here.
Yeah.
I don't know what Otis would think about. I don't know what Otis would think about that, though. I don't know if he'd go for it. Anyway, yes, Will. I think you should do it.
Sure.
And then we'll do a live taste test. You can bring
One
us
of these things.
Bring us some of your herbs.
Okay.
And we'll do a live taste test and see if you're the real deal or not.